Infrastructure expansion for TikTok's global reach, 2023 to 2025 implementation of AI algorithms and $100 million investment in data centers. Overview. Between 2023 and 2025, TikTok is set to significantly enhance its global infrastructure with a strategic investment of $100 million in data centers and the implementation of advanced artificial intelligence AI algorithms. This initiative aims to bolster the platform's capacity to manage vast amounts of user data while simultaneously addressing escalating concerns regarding data privacy and security. Key developments. 1. Investment in data centers. TikTok's commitment to investing $100 million will lead to the establishment of new data centers across various regions, particularly in the United States and Europe. This expansion reflects a proactive approach to improving data processing capabilities, ensuring compliance with local regulations, and addressing the growing scrutiny from lawmakers and regulators concerning data privacy. 2. AI algorithm implementation. A significant focus of this expansion will be the integration of sophisticated AI algorithms aimed at enhancing user experience. These algorithms will improve content recommendations and increase data security. By leveraging machine learning techniques, TikTok aims to deliver more personalized content while safeguarding user data against potential breaches. 3. Regulatory compliance. In light of increasing regulatory scrutiny worldwide, TikTok is aligning its data practices with emerging privacy laws such as the American Privacy Rights Act (APRA) and the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) in Europe. This alignment is crucial as privacy laws continue to evolve, with states like California and Colorado leading the charge for stricter data protection measures. Timeline of events. 2023. TikTok announces its intention to invest $100 million in expanding its data center footprint amid growing pressure from U.S. lawmakers regarding data privacy concerns associated with its parent company ByteDance. June 2024, the American Privacy Rights Act is revised to include provisions focused on data minimization and enhanced user consent mechanisms, aligning with TikTok's investment strategy to ensure compliance with upcoming regulations. September 2024, TikTok begins rolling out new AI algorithms designed to enhance user engagement and data security measures. These algorithms will analyze user behavior to deliver personalized content while adhering to privacy laws. January 2025, TikTok completes the first phase of its data center expansion, significantly boosting its capacity to securely and efficiently process user data. Common key points across sources. 1. Data privacy concerns. A recurring theme in discussions surrounding TikTok's expansion is the necessity for robust data privacy measures. The company faces mounting pressure to safeguard user data amidst allegations of misuse and concerns over its ties to the Chinese government. 2. Regulatory landscape. There is a clear focus on adapting to the evolving regulatory landscape in both the US and Europe. TikTok's investment in infrastructure is not only designed to improve performance but also to address compliance with stringent data protection laws. Differences between sources. Some sources emphasize the financial aspects of TikTok's expansion, i.e., the $100 million investment, while others focus on the implications for user privacy and the technological advancements introduced through AI algorithms. Additionally, some articles draw comparisons between TikTok's growth strategy and that of competing platforms like Instagram and Snapchat, which are also enhancing their AI capabilities to retain user engagement. Conclusion. TikTok's ambitious infrastructure expansion plans for 2023 to 2025 reflect a dual strategy aimed at enhancing user experience through AI while addressing critical data privacy concerns. With a substantial investment in data centers and a commitment to regulatory compliance, TikTok is positioning itself as a leader in the social media landscape while navigating the complexities of global data governance. This strategic initiative is essential for maintaining user trust and ensuring the platform's continued growth in an increasingly scrutinized environment. Reference links. Mandatly news/mandatly.com/news. Blockchain news/blockchain.news/search/technology. The provided content outlines a detailed plan for TikTok's infrastructure expansion, emphasizing its significant investment and adaptations in data privacy and AI technology. Here are some counterintuitive insights derived from the content. 1. Investment amid scrutiny. While TikTok faces ongoing scrutiny regarding data privacy and security due to its ties with the Chinese government, it continues to invest heavily in infrastructure. This seems counterintuitive, as one might expect the company to cut back on expenditures in a time of heightened regulatory pressure. Instead, TikTok is committing $100 million towards new data centers, suggesting a strategy that aims to bolster its operational capabilities and reassure regulators about data handling practices. 2. AI for compliance. TikTok's decision to implement advanced AI algorithms to both enhance user experience and improve data security appears contradictory. The use of AI is often associated with potential privacy risks such as data misuse or surveillance. However, TikTok is framing its AI advancements as a means to enhance compliance with stringent regulations like the GDPR and APRA. This duality of using AI both to personalize content and safeguard privacy reflects a complex strategy that may initially seem contradictory but could serve to build user trust while improving engagement. 3. Proactive regulatory compliance. Instead of waiting for regulatory bodies to enforce rules, TikTok is preemptively aligning its operations with anticipated changes in privacy legislation. This proactive stance is counterintuitive in an industry often characterized by reactive compliance, where companies typically adjust policies only after legal challenges arise. By anticipating regulatory developments, TikTok aims to position itself as a leader in data ethics, which could paradoxically strengthen its competitive edge while navigating a fraught regulatory landscape. 4. Data centers as a trust mechanism. The establishment of data centers in various regions, particularly in the US and Europe, is intended not just for operational efficiency but as a strategic move to enhance trust among users and regulators. It may seem counterintuitive that a company under scrutiny would invest in physical infrastructure, yet this approach is likely seen as a way to demonstrate commitment to local data sovereignty and security, potentially alleviating fears surrounding data misuse. 5. Balancing personalization with privacy. The implementation of AI algorithms to personalize user experiences while simultaneously ensuring compliance with privacy laws presents a balancing act that appears contradictory. This tension between maximizing user engagement through tailored content and adhering to strict privacy regulations reflects a deeper challenge within the digital landscape, where companies must navigate user expectations and legal obligations simultaneously. 6. Navigating legislative changes. TikTok's timeline for infrastructure expansion aligns closely with significant legislative changes, such as the revision of the APRA. This synchronized approach suggests a strategic foresight that may not be typical for tech companies, which often react to legislation after it is enacted. By planning its investments and operational changes alongside legislative timelines, TikTok demonstrates an understanding of the interplay between policy and business strategy that may be unexpected in a fast-paced tech environment. 7. Perception versus reality of data privacy. The narrative surrounding TikTok's investment could lead to a perception that the company is merely attempting to placate regulators without genuine commitment to data privacy. However, the realignment of its infrastructure and the integration of AI for compliance purposes indicate a more complex reality in which operational changes are driven by both external pressures and internal strategic goals. This divergence between public perception and the company's actual strategic intentions is a common theme in the tech industry, where actions may be misinterpreted due to the surrounding controversy. These counterintuitive insights highlight the complexities within TikTok's infrastructure expansion strategy, revealing how the company is navigating a challenging regulatory environment while seeking to enhance user trust and engagement through technological advancements. The report on TikTok's infrastructure expansion, particularly its investment in data centers and implementation of AI algorithms, contains several significant points that many may overlook, as well as the implications of these developments. 1. Investment in data centers. TikTok's commitment to invest $100 million in data centers across regions like the US and Europe is substantial. While many may focus on the dollar amount, the strategic significance lies in its ability to enhance data processing capabilities. This investment allows TikTok to localize data storage, which is crucial in complying with stringent data protection regulations such as the GDPR in Europe and the American Privacy Rights Act (APRA). By building data centers closer to its user base, TikTok can process data more efficiently, reduce latency, and improve user experience, all while addressing regulatory scrutiny regarding data sovereignty. Significance. This move reflects a growing trend among tech companies to invest in localized data solutions to navigate complex regulatory landscapes. It also signals TikTok's intent to maintain its competitive edge against platforms like Instagram and Snapchat, which are also enhancing their infrastructure to improve user engagement. 2. AI algorithm implementation. The integration of advanced AI algorithms is another critical aspect of TikTok's strategy. While many discussions may center around the potential for improved content recommendations and user engagement, the underlying significance of AI lies in its role in enhancing data security. TikTok aims to utilize machine learning techniques not only to personalize content but also to safeguard user data by identifying and mitigating security threats in real time. Significance. The incorporation of AI into data security practices is an often overlooked aspect that could set TikTok apart in the social media landscape. As privacy concerns escalate, the ability of a platform to leverage AI for proactive data protection will be pivotal in building user trust and compliance with emerging regulations. 3. Regulatory compliance. The proactive alignment with evolving regulations such as the APRA and GDPR is significant. While many may view compliance as a mere checkbox exercise, TikTok's efforts to adhere to these laws indicate a strategic long-term vision. This approach is particularly crucial in light of increasing global scrutiny of data practices, especially concerning user privacy and data protection for minors. Significance. By positioning itself as a compliant entity, TikTok not only mitigates the risk of legal repercussions but also enhances its reputation as a responsible platform. This is vital for user retention, particularly among demographics increasingly concerned about data security. 4. Timeline of developments. The timeline highlighted in the report shows a clear progression of TikTok's actions from the initial investment announcement in 2023 to the completion of the first phase of data center expansion by early 2025. Each milestone is critical, but the timeline also reflects how rapidly the regulatory landscape is shifting, necessitating agile responses from tech companies. Significance. Understanding this timeline allows stakeholders to appreciate the urgency and importance TikTok places on staying ahead of regulatory changes. It also serves as a case study for other tech companies that may face similar pressures, demonstrating the necessity of rapid adaptation in a dynamic environment. 5. Privacy concerns and competitive landscape. The report emphasizes continuous data privacy concerns surrounding TikTok, especially in relation to its ties with the Chinese government. This context is essential as it informs the strategic decisions made by TikTok. While some may focus solely on the financial aspects of the expansion, the broader implications of user trust and market competition are equally important. Significance. The competitive landscape for social media platforms is shifting, with privacy becoming a key differentiator. TikTok's ability to navigate these waters while expanding its infrastructure could either bolster its market position or create vulnerabilities if perceived privacy issues are not adequately addressed. In conclusion, the most overlooked aspects of TikTok's infrastructure expansion are its strategic implications for regulatory compliance, data security through AI, and the competitive landscape in the face of privacy concerns. Understanding these factors can provide deeper insights into how TikTok aims to position itself as a responsible player in the global social media arena while continuing to grow its user base. 1. Investment in data centers. TikTok's commitment to invest $100 million in building new data centers across various regions including the US and Europe is a significant move aimed at enhancing its data processing capabilities. This investment is not only crucial for improving operational efficiency but also for ensuring compliance with local data regulations. The expansion of data centers reflects TikTok's proactive approach to addressing concerns about data privacy and security, particularly in light of scrutiny from regulators. By establishing data centers in key regions, TikTok aims to bolster its global infrastructure while adhering to local legal requirements, which is essential for maintaining user trust. 2. AI algorithm implementation. The integration of advanced AI algorithms is central to TikTok's strategy for enhancing user experience and data security. The company is leveraging machine learning technologies to improve content recommendations and personalize user experiences. This focus on AI also extends to data security measures where TikTok aims to utilize these technologies to safeguard user data. By enhancing the personalization of content delivery through AI, TikTok seeks to retain user engagement while simultaneously addressing privacy concerns associated with data collection and processing. This dual focus on user experience and data protection positions TikTok to navigate the competitive landscape of social media platforms effectively. 3. Regulatory compliance. TikTok's proactive alignment with evolving data privacy regulations such as the American Privacy Rights Act (APRA) and the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) underscores its commitment to data governance. As privacy laws become increasingly stringent, especially in the US and Europe, TikTok's efforts to comply with these regulations demonstrate a strategic approach to mitigate legal risks and enhance user trust. By investing in infrastructure that meets regulatory standards, TikTok aims to avoid potential penalties and foster a safer online environment for its users. This focus on compliance not only safeguards TikTok's operations but also sets a precedent for other platforms navigating similar regulatory challenges. 4. Data privacy concerns. Amid growing concerns regarding data privacy, TikTok's initiatives highlight the critical importance of robust data protection measures. The ongoing scrutiny from regulators and public sentiment regarding data privacy necessitates that TikTok implement comprehensive strategies to protect user information. The company's investment in AI and data centers signifies a commitment to addressing these concerns while enhancing user experiences. By prioritizing data security and compliance, TikTok aims to rebuild and maintain user confidence, which is vital for its sustained growth and success in the global market. The focus on data privacy not only addresses current challenges but also positions TikTok as a responsible player in the social media landscape. 1. The expansion of the Internet infrastructure in the 1990s. The early 1990s saw an exponential growth in the Internet, which required significant investment in infrastructure to support increased traffic and new technologies. Companies and governments invested billions in building data centers, enhancing network capabilities, and developing protocols to ensure the efficient transfer of data. This expansion laid the groundwork for the digital communication revolution, similar to TikTok's current infrastructure investments aimed at enhancing its global reach. 2. Facebook's data center investment. In 2011, Facebook made a strategic decision to invest heavily in building data centers around the world to support its rapidly growing user base. By 2011, Facebook's infrastructure needed to handle vast amounts of data generated by its users, leading to the establishment of multiple data centers designed for efficiency and scalability. Facebook's approach to investing in data centers for better data management and user experience mirrors TikTok's current initiative to enhance its infrastructure capabilities. 3. The European Union's investment in digital infrastructure. In the 2010s, the EU invested substantially in enhancing digital infrastructure across member states, focusing on improving internet speeds, data security, and regulatory compliance to foster digital innovation. This initiative was part of a broader strategy to create a more connected and secure digital environment for businesses and citizens. TikTok's focus on compliance with regulations like the GDPR while expanding its infrastructure reflects similar challenges and strategies employed by the EU to bolster digital infrastructure. Future outlook: predictions for TikTok's global infrastructure expansion 2023 to 2025. Introduction. TikTok's strategic initiative to expand its global infrastructure from 2023 to 2025 is set against a backdrop of increasing scrutiny over data privacy and security. With a commitment of $100 million in data centers and the implementation of advanced AI algorithms, TikTok aims to enhance its operational capabilities while addressing regulatory pressures. Here are predictions for the future of TikTok in the context of this expansion. 1. Enhanced data processing capabilities. By the end of 2025, TikTok will significantly improve its data processing capabilities through its new data centers. This enhancement will allow for faster processing of user data, leading to real-time content recommendations and improved user experiences. The integration of AI algorithms will facilitate a more personalized content delivery system, thus increasing user engagement and retention. 2. Increased compliance with global regulations. As TikTok expands its infrastructure, it will likely face ongoing challenges regarding compliance with various data protection regulations such as the American Privacy Rights Act (APRA) and the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR). By 2025, TikTok is expected to align its data practices with these evolving regulations, potentially becoming a model for compliance in the social media sector. The investment in data centers will play a crucial role in ensuring data localization and compliance with local laws. 3. Strengthen trust and user safety. The proactive approach to data privacy and security is expected to enhance user trust in TikTok. By demonstrating a commitment to safeguarding user data, TikTok could potentially quell some of the fears surrounding its data practices. As regulations become stricter, TikTok's investments in robust security measures will likely position it favorably against competitors who may not have similar commitments. 4. Competitive edge in AI-driven content creation. The implementation of sophisticated AI algorithms will not only enhance user experiences but also provide TikTok with a competitive edge in content creation. By 2025, TikTok may leverage AI to facilitate the development of new features, such as augmented reality effects and personalized video editing tools. This innovation could attract more creators to the platform, further enriching its content library. 5. Expansion into new markets. With improved infrastructure and compliance capabilities, TikTok is poised for expansion into new global markets. By 2025, we may see TikTok making significant inroads into regions with emerging digital economies such as Africa and Southeast Asia. The localized data centers will enable the platform to cater to diverse user needs and preferences, adapting content to various cultural contexts. 6. Focus on monetization and advertising innovations. As TikTok enhances its data processing capabilities, it is likely to explore innovative advertising models tailored to its user base. By 2025, the platform could introduce new monetization strategies for creators, such as enhanced revenue sharing models or exclusive partnership opportunities. This focus on monetization will be critical for TikTok to sustain its growth and profitability in a competitive landscape. 7. Partnerships and collaborations. To further its technological capabilities, TikTok may forge partnerships with tech companies specializing in AI and data security. By 2025, collaborations with established firms could lead to the development of cutting-edge features that enhance user engagement while ensuring compliance with privacy regulations. Such partnerships will also bolster TikTok's reputation as a leader in innovative social media solutions. 8. Navigating political and regulatory challenges. As TikTok expands its infrastructure, it will continue to navigate complex political landscapes and regulatory hurdles. By 2025, the platform may face challenges related to geopolitical tensions, especially in markets where data privacy and national security concerns are heightened. TikTok's ability to adapt to these challenges will be crucial for its sustained success and acceptance in various regions. Conclusion: the infrastructure expansion of TikTok from 2023 to 2025, marked by a $100 million investment in data centers and advanced AI capabilities, sets the stage for a transformative phase for the platform. By enhancing data processing capabilities, ensuring regulatory compliance, and fostering user trust, TikTok is poised to solidify its position as a leading player in the global social media landscape. The future will depend on how effectively TikTok navigates the complexities of privacy, security, and technological innovation while meeting the demands of an increasingly discerning user base.